Hey guys, what's up? Matt here and welcome to the episode of Just a Tip. Today's episode is a funny one. It's about how I use Cameo to get a bunch of sales and make a lot of commission. Cameo, as you know, is a website where you can go and you can get celebrities to do videos for you or give you shout outs or whatever it is you want. A lot of people use them to get testimonials, which is adorable. But what you wanna do is I use it as a way to do my follow-up. So a lot of the time with follow-ups, a pattern interrupt is really what it is you're looking for. So you want something just to break up their day to get them to respond, which is why memes work really, really well. So I'm a really big fan of using memes because again, you can give a visual context, it's funny, you make them laugh, and then from there they re-engage with you. So that works really well. But taking it to a next level, I was sending out cameos. So I got a couple of celebrities to do cameos for me where they were saying, where I told them that one of my friends wasn't replying to messages, and so can you give me something to say, hey, make sure you reply to someone's message. And I got comedians to do it, so it was really funny, and I got like stage 1 and stage 2. Now, they worked extraordinarily well to reactivate old leads, to reactivate people who are ghosting me, because it was so funny. And that's really what it's about. It's about giving the person a reason to re-engage with you. So that's how I use Cameo to make more sales.